Hello, learning cubs! See this puzzle board here? All these empty spaces are waiting for their numbers. But where are the numbers? Oh, could they be in the houses? Let's find out. Shh. Do you hear that? Something's in there. Let's open it together. Say, "Open sesame." Let's see what we have here. It's the number 7. Can you shout it with me? 7. Let's put it in its right spot. Perfect. 7 found its home. But wait, there's more numbers in here. Number 12. 12 is a big number. Can you count to 12 with me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see the next number. 19. Let's place it on the board. And we have the number 15. And that goes right there. Oh, this is a special one. An equal sign. 2 lines means same as. Like 1 plus 1 equals 2. They're the same. The red house was hiding 7, 12, 19, 15, and the equal sign. Now let's look at the orange house. Put your thinking caps on. What numbers do you think are hiding in this one? Let's take a look. It's the number 3. 3 looks like a little sideways M. That goes right there. But wait, there's more. Number 8. It looks like 2 circles stacked on top of each other. Let's see what number we have next. 11. 1, 1. 11. The last one is a subtraction sign. A subtraction sign means we take away. Like if you have 3 cookies and eat 1, you have 2 cookies left. And that goes right there. Now let's see our greenhouse. What could be in here? Let's take a look. We have the number 1. 1 is the very first number we ever learn. Can you hold up one finger? Just one. Great! Now we have the number 9. Wait, or is it a 6? Wait, it's a 9. I'm confused. They look almost the same upside down. But I think this is a 9. And the last number from the greenhouse is an 18. One and 8 makes 18. Such a big number. Okay, you're going to help me with this one. Point to the blue house on your screen. Great job! Are you ready to see what's inside? Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Can you tell me what number this is? 4, you're right. Let's see what we find next. 2. And that goes right there. And we have 13. 1 and 3 make 13. And the last number from the blue house is a number 6. Let's put it in its right spot. Alright, learning cubs, this is the last house. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Let's see what's inside this one. We have a plus sign. A plus sign means that we add things together. Like 2 apples plus 2 apples equals 4 apples. And we have a 14. 1 and 4, 14. You're so good at this. Oh, 20 is such a big number. That's so many. Can you count to 20 with me super fast? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the very last number from the purple house is a 16. Yay! But wait. The puzzle isn't finished yet. There's still some empty spaces. Where could the rest of the numbers be? Do you hear that? Something is coming. It's a construction truck. And it's carrying a very special load today. Driver, are you ready? Tip it. Whoa! Look at all those numbers and signs. They all tumbled out. Let's move them to the side so we can take a better look. What's this one? It's a multiplication sign. Multiplication is like a superpowered adding. Instead of adding the same number over and over, multiplication does it all at once. It's like a math superpower. Let's see what else the chalk brought us. A division sign. 1 line, 2 dots. Division means we share things equally. Like if you have 6 cookies and want to share with a friend, division helps us figure out how many each person gets. And this goes right here. Let's see what number this is. It's a 10. 10 goes right after the 9. And a number 5. 5 goes after the 4. And we have one more number left. It's a 17. Great job, learning cubs. The puzzle is complete. Everyone dance. We did it. And the construction truck helped us finish it. Wow, learning cubs. You did such an incredible job today. You helped me find all the numbers hiding in all 5 rainbow houses. And our amazing construction truck brought us all the missing numbers. That's all 20 numbers and all the math signs on the board. You're such a brilliant counter. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye.